So guys, for the first step, you want to go to search and type in change the date and time. Click on it. And now once you're on this, make sure that your time zone is correct. Make sure that you have set time automatically turned on. Now you want to scroll down and then click on sync now. Make sure that your date and time is fully synced up. For the next step, you want to go to search and type in activation settings. Click on it. Now once you're on this, there are some things that we can try. So you want to expand activation state. Now we're going to click on change. You want to type in your product key again. Maybe you typed it in wrong, or maybe there was an error or something. Just type it in again, make sure that it's spelled correctly, and then click on next, and then see if that works. If that's still not working, then you want to click on troubleshoot. Wait for this to load. If it detects anything, it will try to fix it for you. If not, then you can purchase a new activation key by going to the Microsoft Store. Or if you changed hardware on your device recently, you want to click on this and then follow through the steps that will come up here. Now hopefully one of these things here would have fixed your problem.